Tired of text blending into your Word document? Learn how to add a crisp outline in seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click, highlight, text effects, outline, and pick your color. So let's start by selecting your target text. This is the most important first step because Word needs to know which words you want to transform. Just click and drag your mouse over the text you want to outline. It could be a single word, a headline, or even a whole paragraph. The highlight will turn gray or blue depending on your version of Word. And here's a quick tip: if you're working with a title or a heading, make sure you've got all of it selected, including any spaces or punctuation at the end. That way your outline wraps around everything evenly. Alright, now that we've got our text selected, let's move on to the next part. Now go to the Home tab and find Text Effects. You'll see it right there in the font section of the ribbon. It looks like a capital letter A with a glowing blue ring around it. This is where all the magic happens. And here's the really important part. The Text Effects button is different from the regular font color button right next to it. Don't confuse the two. The font color button just changes the fill of your letters, but we want the outline, so we need the Text Effects button. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with all sorts of options. You'll see shadows, reflections, glows, and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. But we're focusing on just one thing today. From the drop-down, choose Outline. You'll find it near the bottom of that first section of options. When you hover your mouse over Outline, another smaller menu will pop out to the side. This is where you get to make your text really pop. The Outline option creates a border around each letter of your selected text. It's like giving your words their own little fence. And the best part is that you can still see the original color of your text inside that outline. So if your text is black, you'll get a black word with a colored border around it. If your text is white, you'll get a white word with a colored border. This is perfect for making headlines stand out on a busy background, or for creating titles that grab attention in a report. Finally, pick your desired color. This is the fun part. Click on Outline and then choose a color from the palette that appears. You've got your standard theme colors at the top and then more standard colors below. If none of those feel right, you can click More Outline Colors to get a custom shade. I usually recommend going with a color that contrasts well with your text fill. For example, if your text is dark blue, try a bright yellow or orange outline. If your text is white, a dark red or navy blue outline will make it really stand out. And here's a little pro tip. You can also adjust the weight of your outline by going down to Weight in that same outline menu. A heavier outline will be more visible from a distance, while a thinner outline looks more subtle and professional. And there you have it. From plain invisible text to eye-catching text with a colored outline that pops. This is one of those little tricks that makes a huge difference in how your documents look. Whether you're creating a flyer, a presentation handout, or just want your resume headings to stand out, the Text Outline tool is your new best friend. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other Word tutorials where we cover even more ways to make your documents look amazing. Thanks for watching.